Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll show you how premium materials are transformed into spectacular leopard pattern luxury leather products.
This is where we apply the precision coating before the embossing presses give the material its unique texture.
The signature appearance begins digitally, where every pattern is precisely designed for consistency across the finished material.
Each sheet is conditioned for flexibility, consistency, and the demanding standards of luxury manufacturing.
Automation provides precision, while skilled craftsmanship turns the material into an exceptional finished product.
We need to adjust the stitching right here on the handle. Yes, I see. I will fix that immediately. The stitching on this leopard bag is exquisite. Thank you. We aligned the pattern perfectly.
The stitching on this edge needs to be flawless before it reaches the scanner.
We've reinforced the clasp mechanism on this batch.
And that's how a premium leopard-inspired material is transformed into extraordinary luxury products, from raw material to finished craftsmanship.